Hello, friends. This is Pallavi, and today I'm here to roar the truth into your soul. Who want to be the millionaire? I want to be a millionaire. Not because it sounds cool, not because it's trendy, because I refuse to live a small, average, forgettable life. So listen, if you want millions, stop thinking small. Stop waiting for chance. Go and take them all. No fear, no doubt, no turning around. Your dreams are a war. You either fight or you are drowned. Build it, bleed for it, burn for that flame. Win or die trying, but never play tame. Because life doesn't gift gold, it demands that you earn. And the hungriest lion is the one who will turn. Millionaire isn't money, it's a state of your mind, a fire in your soul, a refusal to be blind. So rise every morning, roar louder than fear. The crown is for warriors, and yours is right here. Fight till you're first, or stay where you are. But the one who burns brightest will always shine far. I don't want comfort, I want dominance. I don't want survival, I want power. I don't want to fit in, I want to own the damn room when I walk in. Money is the weapon, money is the tool that lets you fight on your terms. Money is the ticket to freedom. I'm not chasing paper, I'm chasing control. Control over my time, control over my life, control over my destiny. The truth nobody wants to hear. Let me break your fantasy. Most of you will never be millionaires. Why? Because you are soft. You are lazy. You run at the first sign of pain. You want the lifestyle, but not the struggle. You want the reward, but not the scars. You want the crown, but you are scared to go to war for it. The world is not fair. The world don't care about your feelings. If you want to be a millionaire, you take it. Rip it from the hands of those hungrier, faster, stronger than you. Millionaires are predators. They hunt while others sleep. They attack while others hide. They adapt while others break. If you want to be a millionaire, stop acting like prey. Stop waiting. Stop blaming. Stop crying. Every time you complain, you hand over your power. Every time you hesitate, you lose ground. Every time you choose comfort, you kill your future. The grind that breaks the weak. This path will break you. It will crush you. It will test every cell in your body. You will walk when you are exhausted. You will walk when you are sick. You will walk when nobody believes in you. Sometimes, not even yourself. Your friends will disappear. Your weekends will disappear. Your excuses will disappear. Or you will disappear from the game. Friends, if that scares you, quit now. This is not for the weak. This is for the obsessed ones. The war against average. Average is a disease. It spreads fast. The only cure is to kill it inside yourself. Average people hit snooze. Millionaires rise before the sun. Average people waste money. Millionaires multiply it. Average people seek applause. Millionaires seek results. You are in a war against laziness, a war against comfort, a war against every voice telling you can't. Bleed for the goal. You will bleed for this. You will lose for this. You will be laughed at. You will be rejected. Every time you get stronger. Every no brings you closer to yes. Every failure makes you sharper. The world respects result. When you are rich, they'll call you a genius. When you are broke, they'll call you a fool. So stop caring about words. Start building your results. Obsession until it's yours. Millionaires are not motivated. They are obsessed. They think about it when they wake up. They when they eat. They think about it when they sleep. You can't half commit. You go all in or get nothing. The final command. One day, your parents will never work again. One day, you'll walk into a store and never check the price. One day, you'll remember you built this. But that day starts now. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. Stand up, look in the mirror, say it. I will be a millionaire. Again, louder, until your bones feel it, until your blood believes it. And don't stop until the world knows you weren't playing. Listen to me. If you want to be a millionaire, stop thinking small. Stop living in despair. No shortcuts, no magic, no lottery win. Only sweat, only grind, only fire within. Dreams don't care about your comfort zone. They belong to the ones who walk alone. Every no, every fail, every scar you bear is a stepping stone to the millionaire's chair. So burn your excuses, ignite your flame, write your legacy, carve your name. Don't wait for someday. Don't wait for the call. You want to be a millionaire? Then bleed for it. You want to be a millionaire? Then breathe for it. Don't talk, work upon it. Don't dream, just do it. Don't hope, hunt it. Because money doesn't come to the weak, it bows to the relentless. No more one day, no more maybe, no more if I get lucky. Millionaires are not born from luck, they are carved from pain, grind, and obsession. When they sleep, you work. When they doubt, you prove. When they quit, you rise. When they fear, you fight. And remember, every second wasted is money buried. Every excuse made is wealth delayed. Every comfort taken is success stolen. So burn the boats, kill the excuses, set fire to your limits. And when the world asks you, why are you so obsessed? You look them in the eyes and say, because I'm building a life I don't need to escape from. Grind until the bank account matches the vision. Hustle until your doubters ask for a job. Work until broke is a foreign language. Fight until your $1 million dream becomes your $1 million reality. And when that day comes, when you hold it, live it, own it, don't stop. Because millionaires are made from desire, but billionaires are made from refusing to stop. Stand up now or don't stand at all. Because life doesn't hand crown, it hands out fights, and the one who bleeds for it owns the night. So rise with power, roar with might. Your millionaire dream is the worth the fight. Stand up, rise tall, burn the doubt inside. The world won't hand you dreams, you have to ride. No fear, no pause, no looking back. Your hunger is the fuel, your will's the track. Sweat today, so tomorrow you shine. Pay the price now, success will be mine. Every tear, every scar is a crown you will wear. Millionaires are not born, they are forged in the fire of sleepless night. They are carved out of failures, and they are crowned only by their own blood, tears, and hustle. So tighten your grip, sharpen your mind, and lock in your focus. Because from this moment on, we are not just talking about becoming a millionaire. We are going to become one. The world does not owe you a single rupee, a single dollar, a single chance. You owe yourself everything. And if you want to be a millionaire, don't just grind when it's easy. Grind when it's hell. Grind when you are broke. Grind when nobody believes in you. Grind when you are tired. When you are scared. When the dreams feel impossible. Because one day the sacrifice will turn into freedom. The pain will turn into power. And the grind will turn into glory. Say it with me. I will not stop. I will not quit. I will not break. I will be a millionaire. I will be a millionaire. And no one can stop me.